When it comes to getting sick with COVID-19, you might have thought about this, and we have too. Jason Siebold asks,
I like running outside. What are the risks of me getting COVID-19 if someone runs by me and coughs?
We asked the experts. Their take, contracting COVID-19 from someone running by and coughing is medium risk.
If they were running by you, I would say it definitely lowers it because, you have the air currents and everything else involved with somebody just passing by you very briefly.
If you're going to be out walking or running in an area where you know you're going to see other people and they're not going to be at least 20 feet from you, I would wear some kind of a protective device. To be quite honest, if they have a cough, shame on them for being out there.
If you're running or if you're biking, lots of things kind of influence whether or not you might get infected. First and foremost is what the wind speed is. Is it really sunny outside? The UV rays from the sun kill coronavirus, but it's going to depend on how much exposure the virus gets to the sun before it actually gets inhaled by you or hits your mucous membranes.
Have a question for Newsy? Email us a video question at what'stherisk@newsy.com.